Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you English grammar, chapter 3, nouns types. So students, take out your English grammar book. Open the page number 17 and our third chapter is nouns types. So today we learn types of noun. So see in your textbook, all of you, here the nouns types. So let's see what are the types of noun. Proper noun and common noun. See here, proper noun and common noun. So let's see first the definition of what is proper noun and common noun. Some nouns are common names and some are special names. Names of people, places, animals and things in general are called common nouns. The special names given to people, animal, places, things are called proper nouns. So students, look here. What is common name of person, people and animals and things in general is called common noun. And what is the special? When we give special, that is called proper noun. So we also see the sentence of this noun. Okay, now let's study the following sentence. Jack is doing his homework. The boy is doing his homework. So look here, in the first sentence we are talking about Jack. Here the name of Jack is given in the first sentence. A particular boy. Jack is a particular boy because its name is given. Therefore, Jack is a proper noun. So it is, we talk about here Jack and the name is given, special name is given, so it is called proper noun. In the next sentence, see here, we could be talking about any boy, not anyone in particular. Therefore, boy is a common noun. See here in the next sentence, the boy. So, any boy in the class is doing his homework, not a particular boy. So, anyone in particular. So that we can call it common noun. So, when we give a special name, that is called proper noun, and when we talk about general things, then it is called common noun. So we also see other example of this common and proper noun. So you have to first underline these two noun, proper noun and common noun. Okay, so see here, let's see more example. For A, Riya is a good girl. So here the name is Riya, is a good girl. So name of the people, here which people is given? Riya is given. Name of people, this one is. The Taj Mahal is a famous monument. So it is a place, name of place, the Taj Mahal. So look here. And the third one, Brazil is a big country. So here the name of the country, Brazil. So look here, in the first 1, 2 and 3, in all the three sentences, the underlined word begins with capital letter. You see or not? See here, all the letters, all the name begins with capital letter. So we can say that proper noun always begins with capital letter. That is here. In the sentence A, we see that Riya is a proper noun. Since it is the name of girl, the girl is a common noun. So here the girl is a common, any girl, but here Riya, name is the underlined word is the Riya, so it is a proper noun. Okay students, so like that we see in the next page. Turn the page, page number 18. In sentence B, we see that Taj Mahal is proper noun, since it is the name of monument, while monument is a common noun. Here the Taj Mahal is the name of monument. So name the Taj Mahal is given, so it is a proper noun, and the word monument, it is a common noun. So students, look in the third sentence. In sentence C, we see that Brazil is a proper noun, since it is the name of country, while country is a common noun. So country is the not any country we can say that, but the Brazil is given, so Brazil is the proper noun. So students, look here the definition of this common and proper noun. Common nouns are names of objects, places, animals and people to identify them generally. We can identify them generally in common nouns. And in proper nouns are names that are given to objects, places, animals and people to identify them particularly. So it is the general and this one is particularly is the special for, and they always begins with a capital letter. Students, underline this sentence. They always begins with capital letter. Which noun? Proper noun always begins with capital letter. This is the way you identify the proper noun very quickly. Okay. Now students, here the chart of the proper and common noun table is given. Look at the following table. More example of common and proper noun is here. Common noun first column and second one is proper noun. So here the first one is girl. Girl means any girls. Boy, boy means any boy in common noun. Cat, any cat. Here the name of the cat is not given. Rabbit, any rabbit. City, any city. Country, monument, planet, day and month. These all are the example of common noun. And here the proper nouns. Rita, Salman, Kitty, Bunny, Mumbai, Japan, Red Fort, Earth, Monday, May. So here the special name is given. Here the day, which day? So here is the Monday. Which monument? Red Fort. Which city? Mumbai. So here the name of the place or animals or people is given. So it is a proper noun. So students, and look here, all the proper noun first letter begins with capital letter. And here you see in this common noun we can see that first letter begins with small letter. So like this you also identify what is the common noun and proper noun. Now students, we understand is better with doing the exercise. So let's see exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with common and proper nouns given below. One has been done for you. So we already answer is given in these strips. You have to fill the answer. So look here. Today is Sunday. Sunday. Sunday, here the Sunday is the capital letter. Today is a Sunday. We all are at the zoo. Where we all are? At the zoo. So now what we see in the zoo? There are many animals. What are we see in the zoo? Animals. So we write here animals in the zoo. The lion is sleeping in his cage. So here the word lion we have put from the blanks. Lion is. Now see the page number 19. Okay. His name is Leo. What is the name of lion? Is Leo. L-E-O, Leo. The zookeeper, Mr. Johnson. The name of the zookeeper is Mr. Johnson. Comes with his food. Leo wakes up with a roar and scares little boys and girls like me away. So look here. Here all the words are we arrange in the fill up. So boys and girls the last me away. So here we completed from here first exercise. Like this you have to fill in your blanks. Now exercise 2. What you have to do? Tick right the correct common noun for the proper noun given below. So what you have to do? Tick right करना है आपको correct common noun for the proper nouns given below. So here the Riya. So what is Riya? Person, animal, object or place. So Riya is the name of person. So we put right here. Okay. Now number 2, Wednesday. Wednesday is the name of person, building, day के object. So it is the name of day. So we put right here. Ganga, object, place, river, mountain. So it is a river. So we write here. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, swimmer, footballer, archer, cricketer. So Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a famous cricketer. So we write here. Hindustan Times. What is the Hindustan Times? It is a dance, newspaper, book, song. So it is a newspaper. Hindustan Times is the name of newspaper. Delhi, city, country, building, monument. So we all know that Delhi is the city. So like this you have to take in your textbook. Okay students, now we move to third exercise, and that is circle the proper noun and underline the common noun in the following sentence. What we have to do? We circle the proper noun and underline the common noun. So how when we circle, we see the proper noun begins with capital letters, that you have to remind. Okay. Now A. The Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has life. So here the Earth, planet is the common noun and solar system is the proper noun. So we put circle here and we put underline here. Okay. Now turn the page number 20. B. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. So here the words Taj Mahal is the proper noun and the Shah Jahan is the name of king, so it is also the proper noun. Mumtaz Mahal is also a proper noun and wife is the common noun. Next one, Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is a proper noun, poet is a common and book is the common, and here the word Gitanjali is also a name of book, so it is a proper noun. Allahabad is the name of city, so Allahabad is proper noun, city common noun, and the river is the common noun. So Allahabad is a city famous for its 3 rivers. So like this you have to underline this. Now the police caught the thief who stole the diamond. So here all the underlined words are common noun. Police, thief and diamond. The Vedas are ancient books of knowledge. So here the word Vedas is the proper noun. Ancient books of knowledge. Books is the common noun. So like this you have to circle the proper noun and underline the common noun in your textbook. Students, we learned 2 types of noun today, that is proper noun and common noun. Here the third noun is collective noun. For this noun we will discuss in my next video. I will give the definition of this noun and example of this noun, and we will discuss the exercise of this noun. So students, bye. Allah Hafiz all of you.